Markets are showing signs of potential recovery following a turbulent and largely negative month. A relief rally appears to be underway, with Bitcoin up nearly 10% from its recent low of $80,500 hit last week, making an intraday high above $89,000. And this rebound comes after a period of sharp decline triggered by the risk of sentiment concerns over AI valuations and mixed signals from the Federal Reserve regarding the interest rate cuts. And these factors led to a massive liquidations, wiping out over $1 trillion in the value across the broader digital asset markets. So analysts believe the market will remain in the wait-and-see mood until the Fed's next decision. And investors ramped up expectations for a rate cut in December, with the probability of such a move now sitting at 80%, up from 42% just a week ago, and according to the futures contracts. So key movers in today's trade were the Ethereum. After a 29% drop in the past month, Ethereum is now seeing some recovery, rising by 2% in the last 24 hours, and the global crypto market cap has reached $3.03 trillion, an upsurge of 1.3%. And let's understand how XRP is performing, which has surged 8% today following the launch of the Bitwise XRP ETF on the NYSE, making its strongest breakout in weeks. Casper witnessed an upsurge of 23%, was at $0.05, driven by a release of Cassia, a decentralized messaging app, and Casper file storage, with offers secure encrypted data uploads within its ecosystem, and hence the optimism. Sui rose 11% to trade at $1.5, boosted by the Coinbase announcement of 24/7 Sui futures launching on December 5th. Bonk climbed 10% after Swiss exchange SIX announced the launch of the Bonk ETP on November 27th, increasing institutional access and market exposure as well. Crypto exchange Hype surged 7.5% to $34 following the launch of the Paxos regulated USDGO stablecoins on the Hyperliquid, which enables cross-chain swaps, yield opportunities, and whale accumulation, signaling strong investor confidence ahead of the token unlock. Solana Sol surged over 5%, was at $136, bolstered by the $57.99 million in inflows into the Solana's spot ETFs, signaling ongoing institutional demand. So let's understand the US about what the US-based crypto ETFs are doing. With the spot Bitcoin ETFs witness a net outflow of $151 million, the spot Ethereum ETFs recorded a net inflow of $96.6 million. So going forward, despite today's gains, Bitcoin faces a resistance around $90,000 level. The market's momentum will depend on maintaining a $3 trillion market cap, and analysts anticipate that the December rate cut and the end of the quantitative tightening will boost liquidity, potentially pushing Bitcoin towards the $1 lakh mark. And however, volatility remains high in the market, as a hawkish Fed meeting could send prices back to $80,000 to $82,000 range. That's what the analysts believe. That's all there is in this Coin Monitor. Keep watching 3.TV. Thank you.